Hello and good morning, guys, and welcome to this live session. And yes, I know that sometimes when you study hard at night, it's difficult to wake up in the morning. But yes, deliberately just to revive all the steps to log in to the online mode, I thought that let me put a reminder to all of you and let me have this live session early in the morning. So yes, it's not that early, although 11 a.m. is not that early, but yes. I know all the CMA Foundation students who are going to appear for the examination on 5th of September. Now you must be having sleepless nights, which means you might not be sleeping at all. You might be having very intermittent sleep and very short span of sleep. And that is exactly what testimony, it is a testimony that you are working hard and you definitely want to score well in your CMA Foundation examination. So yes, good morning and welcome everyone to this session. So why are we here? What are you going to talk about today? So guys, today I'm going to talk about the SAB tool, S-A-B tool. This is the tool which you'll be using to log into your system through your laptop or mobile phone and connect to the examination question paper and the examination system of the institute. It's really important to know certain points, certain steps which are required to download this SAB tool, because if you do some mistake in downloading this SAB tool, it might cause nervousness at that point in time when your examination is there. Although mock tests are scheduled in a manner that they will help you in getting comfortable with this particular software, but still, just even before the mock test, why not get us prepared today itself? Today is 21st. Your mock test is right after 4 days, 25th of August. Let's get our system prepared. Let's get our laptops and mobile prepared for the big day, the day when we will have the mock test, and finally the day when we have our final examination. So yes, today I have a subject matter expert who has been there and done that in the last examination. He is none other than Shri Charan. Welcome, Shri Charan. Shri Charan is a CMA foundation qualified student. He is yet to appear in his CMA Inter in the coming examination. And yes, he has been there, done that. He has been subject matter. He has been a guinea pig, because the first time the examinations were conducted, he was the one who was amongst that lot who gave the examination for the first time. So Shri Charan, or to say the guinea pig of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, good morning, and thank you so much for giving time yet again to all the CMA Foundation students.
Good morning, sir. Actually, it's my pleasure, sir, to share a screen with you. And I would like to wind this session up as quick as possible because every minute is important for the students right now, sir. So I'm
Absolutely.
starting with a PPT which I prepared, sir. It is regarding the technical checklist and also what a student should do before the examination or during the
Yes.
examination. I'm going to
Yes.
cover these points which have been highlighted here. And
Okay.
these are the points which I am going to highlight, sir.
Right.
And I'm also going to use the candidates guide which has been provided by the institute, sir, because that
Right.
PDF which has been provided through a notification, it
Yes.
covers everything related to the SAB tool, sir. As I cannot
Right.
share the screen of SAB tool here, as it is an encrypted software, I'm going to go through that candidates guide where screenshot of each and every procedure that has been given, and it will
Perfect.
be clear, sir. Yes, sir. So, firstly, sir, I'm just going to say about how students can get their ID card from the ICMI site, sir. This is a
Yes.
matter of concern, sir, because many students, even I, didn't know what is a student ID card before giving the examination, sir. Later, I
Right.
realized that when we register for CMA Foundation, either through
Hmm.
the new portal or the old portal, which has been provided here in a blue dialog box,
Right.
there we have to check our status, sir, the status of our registration. So generally we have to enter our date of birth and application number or email ID or mobile number, and we will actually get a tabular format where there will be application letter, registration letter, and a student ID card. The
Right.
student ID card link will be beneath that table, and students can download it, sir. I'm not able to display it, sir, because currently in the institute website there is an error, sir. This has happened last night, so I think uh, institute needs to take note of this, sir, because many students, sir, they feel it problematic to hold an ID card in front of them and take a pic of the same. So it
Right.
is better that students have an identity card which can be used from the system itself, so that they can upload the ID card. Or students
Right.
can even use their Aadhaar card instead of the ID card. If they cannot find their ID card, there is no problem. Aadhaar card is also permitted.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is how an ID card will be. So this is my ID card generally. So
Right.
this is how it will be. You just have to
Right.
print this and save it as a
Right.
PDF. If possible,
Right.
please convert into an image format, because you have
Right.
to upload an image during the examination.
Perfect. JPEG
So
format.
yes, sir. So next, regarding the login details will be provided one day before the examination. And my request is to note all these 5 details on a piece of paper, because during the examination we forget these things, and if there is any requirement of any of these information during the examination, you may have
Right.
to lose time during the examination, and each minute will be
Right.
valuable in those 120-minute session.
Right. Perfect.
So regarding the browser settings and the internet speed, mobile requirements and SAB tool, I will cover this through screen sharing, or I will cover this through the candidate's guide. And one more
Sure.
important thing which I said yesterday, I would like to repeat the same. So laptop is preferred device over a mobile phone, because this has been a review of the SAB tool, CoCube's assessment application. I have gone through
Right.
this, and as we can see, sir, the student has faced a problem that he was not in the front of webcam. So there is a webcam problem. Whenever we use a mobile phone, we usually put it on a table and use it, and our camera may not be visible to the proctor. So that may be a big problem, because your assessment will be stopped in between in order to verify
Right.
your face, and it may even disturb your solving of a question.
Right.
So, sir, now I would like to go through the ICMA's candidate guide, sir. I would like to close this presentation once and share that PDF, sir.
Sure.
Just a
Sure.
minute, sir. I hope it is visible, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir. This has been provided by the institute in its notification. Once you go to the notification, there have been several links embedded in it. They are highlighted with
Right.
blue font. So please go
Right.
through the PDF through the notification. This is very
Right.
important. So the system requirement has been provided here. Usually you need an internet connection with 1 to 3 Mbps speed. Now I would like to say you something. There is a difference between capital MB and a M and a small b. This is a megabyte,
Okay.
and usually when you check your speed, the speed will be calculated in megabits. So one thing students should note, sir, is
Oh.
that yes, sir. One thing students should note, sir, so that 8 megabits is 1 megabyte. So here, when you check your speed through a speed test platform, the speed will
Yes.
be in megabits. So you need to have
Right.
8 to 32 megabits. 1 MB,
Okay.
1 megabyte is 8 megabits. So that should be taken care of.
Okay,
Operating
and let
system
me
for
let me
Android.
tell all the students that you can check your speed if you type speed internet speed check on Google. You will get a speedometer, and that will help you to check the internet's connection speed of your system. So all of you can go to Google, just type internet speed check, and you will get a speedometer over there.
Yes, sir. And even there is a even Google provides a speed check platform, so that is advisable,
Right.
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. So operating system usually should be Android 5 and above. The devices which we use are generally above Android 5 and above. Now the latest version is Android 11, but Android 5 is it's okay if you have an
Right.
Android 5 version or above.
Right.
Windows 7 and above. We cannot use Windows XP or any previous versions than Windows 7.
Right. Right.
So
Later the better.
yes, sir. Adobe Flash Player is currently not available. Like even in your browsers or even in your system, Flash has been closed. So this is not a
Yeah.
requirement now. This was a requirement earlier, sir, but this requirement is not needed now, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay.
JavaScript must be enabled in your settings. I will guide you through the settings once so that you can enable your camera, microphone, and JavaScript later on.
Sure.
antivirus should be disabled. Now, this I cannot explain in detail because each of us have different antivirus. I had Kaspersky,
Yes.
you may have Quick Heal or any other antivirus software. You just need to go, you just need to open the application. And I think for me, in Kaspersky, sir, there was just an on-off button.
Yes.
Should
Yes.
Kaspersky protect your system? Yes or no? Just switch it off, like just disable the antivirus then, and it will be okay. Or else, if you
So
face
if
any
you want,
problem,
yes, you
so
can go to
students, if they
YouTube video, and YouTube video will guide you on how to disable your antivirus.
yes, sir, that was exactly what I was going to say. So
Yes.
ensure time is set as IST, Indian Standard Time. That is usually the
Which,
time which we follow in our phones.
yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So webcam and microphone should be enabled. I will guide you through the settings. Application for mobiles and tablets for you should be CoCubes Assessment. You can download it from the Play Store. It will be covered in the later slides. And it will be a safe assessment browser if you are giving your exam through a PC or a laptop.
Right.
So there is a link here. I think you will be able to get this PDF. Just go through this link. You will get
Yes.
all the requirements for your system. And if any requirement is not there, you will be
Yes.
informed regarding the same. So
Right.
please don't neglect this. Please go through this because there are even several requirements like screen size should be curtailed to so and so, and there is also a timer setting. You
Hmm.
need to have
Hmm.
a correct time and date in your system. So please
Hmm.
go through this link. This PDF will be available through the institute's notification, or it will be uploaded in the description of the video later on, or in the comment section.
Right.
So you need to get a tick mark in all these requirements and you will be ready to write your examination, mock test or the main examination. So important instructions for laptops or desktops, not for mobiles. You must have the latest version of Google Chrome.
Right.
If you use Google Chrome, just go to the settings, and in the settings, you can search the settings version. Just search version, you will get the relevant setting, and if there are any updates, please update your system. Clear cache and browsing history before downloading SAB tool. As I am saying, Google Chrome settings are very simple. Just type cache or just try browsing history and you can clear the same easily. Ensure that camera and microphone is not blocked. And I said I would guide you to usually camera and microphone are blocked for all platforms in a Google Chrome
Yes.
device. That's the default setting. But I will
Yes.
guide you regarding how to allow the same.
Right.
Yes, sir. So installation of SAB tool. Here in the PDF itself, this is the link of the SAB tool. You can just click on this link and you will get a .zip file. Now, one thing you should remember is that you should have a zip. You should have a software which will convert the zip
WinZip.
file into a, yes, sir, WinZip,
Yes,
sir.
which is WinZip. WinZip is to be mandatorily there in your system.
Yes, sir. So WinZip is a free software. They can download it usually by searching it on Google. The
Yes.
all the newest versions are easily available for free. And when it comes to mobile phones, you have to go to the you have to go to the Play Store and you have to search
Yes.
CoCubes Assessment. This is the
Okay.
application. Just
Yes.
install the same. And as I have said yesterday, please enable Do Not Disturb while giving the examination.
Yes.
Do Not Disturb will not affect the mobile data of a person. Mobile data will be there, but you will not receive any calls or alarms.
Right.
So this is regarding the camera and microphone requirements, how you should be during the examination.
Correct.
Just just have your chair at a relevant height and see that your camera is visible to the you are visible through your camera to the proctor and have a good microphone. It is advisable to use the inbuilt microphone rather than having a headphone or a microphone. Because
Correct.
during the examination, all the other processes will be stopped. It may or may not work, and if your mic doesn't work through this microphone, then you may face a problem during the examination. You need to have an inbuilt microphone.
And you cannot use the headphones and earphones, right?
Yes, sir. Like headphones and earphones, sir, even if we connect, there is a chance that it is not visible, sir, because like it won't work, sir, because that process has been stopped by the SAB tool during the examination.
Okay.
So on
Okay.
the day of examination, these are just general guidelines about how your seating should be. Uh,
Yes.
this is a point which was in concern during our attempt, sir. We were
Right.
said that you shouldn't have any bottle, pen. There should be no paper with you, no rough sheet, and no calculator. But institute has modified this PDF, and now you're allowed a normal calculator, pen, pencil, and a rough sheet.
Right.
So whenever the proctor may feel that your sheet is not a rough sheet, or if he has any doubt, just you will get a dialog box saying that please show your rough sheet, or something like that. I haven't faced this problem, but if you just show the rough sheet when asked, that's enough. There will be no problem.
Right.
Starting
Right.
the examination on an application. As I have said before, I might have even downloaded the application and I might have shared the screen. But when I'm opening the ScoreCube's assessment application, as it is an encrypted software, you
Yes.
cannot see anything. That's the reason I'm going to the candidate's guide. So these are
Right.
the details which will be given to you before the examination. Registration
Correct.
ID, your
Hmm.
full name as per your registration. Please note the
Hmm.
same. Date of
Hmm.
birth, gender, passkey, and you have to just tick these disclaimers because it is an encrypted software, and there are some. Uh, this is an just a kind of an agreement that you shouldn't do any malpractices, and you should write the test genuinely. That's all. The
Right.
assessment URL for your examination will be CMA 2021. So that the ScoreCube's assessment is not an application of our institute. You just need to
Hmm.
uh, type this assessment URL so that you are redirected to the institute's login page.
Examination. Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir. So starting the examination in a laptop or a desktop, it will be very simple. You will be given a system summary where, as we have checked before in the system checking site, you will just get these ticks so that you are ready to give the examination. Please ensure that your webcam and mic are found during the examination. Once they are not found, and if you start the test, there may be any hassle in between the examination. So your webcam and mic must be open, and it should be allowed. Starting the examination, as I have said before, the disclaimers should be read and you should consent to the same. These are some privacy note. This is a privacy notice dialog box. This is not that important. You can read it then. It's not. It's just a simple thing. You need not worry regarding the same. You just need to
Yes. Yes.
agree to the notice. That's all.
That's all. Just a disclaimer.
Yes, sir. So this is how your laptop will be before starting the test. You need to click on start now, and your test will be started. And these are some FAQs. For example, when if you are not in the camera, if the camera is somewhere like this and you're not visible, then you need to just ensure that you are visible in the camera, and you will get a dialog box at that time. So there will be a dialog box. Your face is not visible. Please ensure that your face is visible to the camera, and you need to click on that dialog box. Okay, and your face will be recognized, and you need to start the test. This may be a
Yes.
concern, especially in accounts and mathematics, where we have to use the rough sheet. We put our face down and we solve it on a rough sheet. So generally, what I suggest, after making one or two equations, after completing some part of a question, just look at the camera and then start, so that at least once in 10 seconds or once in 20 seconds, it will be visible on the camera to the proctor. There will be no problem. Before starting the examination, this is something which I have spoken in the earlier part of this session. This is regarding an identity card which you should upload in order to start the examination. So before the examination, you should either take a picture through this camera of your ID card, or you should browse the file through your browser, through your computer or system. So what I
And it
advise,
won't take a PDF. It won't accept a PDF. Will it only accept JPEG file?
yes, sir, JPEG file only, sir. I faced this problem
Okay.
during the mock test, sir. So I had a
Okay.
PDF, but in a system that PDF can be converted easily to JPEG
Yes.
format,
Yes.
there is a
Yes.
application, inbuilt application of Windows, snipping tool or snip and sketch.
Yes.
Just take a
Correct.
screenshot through that snipping tool, and you can save it on your desktop so that when you browse
Correct.
the system, you can easily find the same.
And if you want to search the snipping tool, just go on the bottom of your menu bar and type here to search. The search icon is there, or there search SNIP, and you will get the snipping tool.
Yes, sir. So this is how your examination page will be. As I have said, all the questions will be in a single page. So there is no need for you to even touch your keyboard. If you have a mouse, you can just go through the cursor and
Right,
that's all. I haven't even touched my
right,
keyboard during the 2 hours of my examination because it was not needed. And
right.
in the notification, it was specifically mentioned, sir, that control and delete shouldn't be used and FI also shouldn't be touched. So that's the reason, sir. When it comes to a mobile phone, uh, the pat the uh, the page will be similar to your MTP portal. For example, in the MTP portal, you had a questions list, question 1 to question 50, which have been attempted, which have been not. So if you go through that MTP portal, you will be familiar with the application. So if you are giving through a mobile phone, in order to familiarize with the application, please give a mock test which has been made available by the institute on its MTP portal. And one more thing to notice is that when we scroll our cursor, sir, when we select an option, sir, usually we select here option B is selected in so answer question. So when we scroll,
Right,
usually instead
right.
of scrolling the page, we scroll to the options. So from B, it can scroll to C or
Oh,
D or A. So once after
ah,
you choose this, then press in a then press on this blank side here.
space.
Just
Yes.
press your cursor and then scroll to the cursor. That will be
This is
advisable.
very, very important because you would think that you are scrolling the page, but you will be scrolling through the options, and it is possible that you might end up choosing the wrong option because of this error. So be very careful with this point.
Yes, sir. So after completing the examination, sir, as shown here, if you don't attempt any question, you will get a dialog box like this, and you will be said that you must attempt all questions. And thankfully, there is no negative marking, so you can attempt all the questions, even though you know them or you don't know them. You can just make a fluke. So after
Correct.
attending all of these, you can submit your answers. And after the examination, as I have said, sir, the examination should be saved as a PDF. So the submission should be saved as a PDF and PDF or as a website, sir. Because, sir, for example, when after the submission, sir, the
Yes.
you will students will get a submission successful box, which will
Correct.
be there only
Correct.
for 5 to 10 seconds, sir, and then again that will be closed, and they will be redirected to a new window. So that will be
Correct.
closed within 5 to 10 seconds. They need to be quick after submitting the mock test or the main examination, and they need to just press Control S so that within 10 seconds they can save the page. Although they
Correct.
can save a page or print it to PDF, I'm saying this because there is a time limit. So within 5 to 10 seconds, again the submission page will be closed and we will be redirected to a new window. So that's the
Correct.
reason it is very important, sir.
Okay. Okay. So quickly you have to save that page.
Yes, sir. And examination ethics, these are nothing. So when you see these pictures on your dial, if during the examination you get a dialog box with any of these pictures, it means so answer this. So for example, if your face is
Okay.
not detected, then you should stay in front of the camera and then you click OK on the dialog box. It will recognize your face. System says video proctoring, ensure you don't indulge into cheating. System detects other objects like mobile headphones. Ensure you don't choose any other objects. As sir has mentioned, headphones are not allowed. Even wired or Bluetooth, whatever it may be, headphones are not allowed. System may detect multiple faces when if there is anybody beside you or if there is anybody behind you, then the system may detect multiple faces and you may be in trouble. So please note that the room in which you are writing an examination, nobody will be there, and you,
Yes.
it's advisable if you sit behind a wall because nobody will come from like you can avoid any disturbance there, and
Right.
you should also avoid any window switches, no alt tab, because that may be
No
recognized
alt
by the
tab.
system and you will be stopped from giving the examination.
So don't use
Multiple
keyboard at all.
Yes, sir, that's advisable, sir, because during the
Yes.
examination, I haven't even touched the keyboard, sir. Only a mouse was enough,
Yes,
just to select the option and just to scroll through the page, sir.
correct,
As there is no
correct,
typing part, keyboard is not required.
correct, correct.
System detects
Perfect.
multiple logins. This is because if you have logged in once from your laptop and then you're logging in from a mobile phone or any other device, that's not permitted by the institute. You need to log in from only one device. That device should be the your companion in all the 6 examinations, 5 mock tests, and the one main examination. You should write in the same system, right? These
Correct.
are another.
And otherwise, also, you should not log in multiply from the same system as well, because then the proctor might doubt that you are doing some cheating or something. So you should not again and again log out and log in, log out and log in. Don't do multiple logins. Try to clear examination in one login. Yes, if there is an inevitable situation whereby your system is not working or electricity is not working, then you can log in again, but not again and again. Repeated logins are not allowed.
Yes, sir. Can be read by the student easily, sir, because these are just basics, and I'm going to cover
Correct,
some of
correct,
them through demonstration, sir. How to
correct.
clear cache, how to give microphone and webcam access. These can be done by them. So now here there are a few important things, sir. When we download an SAB tool, there is this dialog box which can be seen, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So actually we don't get any password, sir, but there will be this dialog box. Do you want this app to make changes to your device? You need to press yes. There will be no
Yes.
password which you need to type. There will be no error. And during the installation, if this dialog box is open, just click on more info and then run anyway. There is a Windows inbuilt safety software. So that software will stop you from installing the SAB tool, as it is an encrypted tool, and as you have to as it gets access to your microphone and webcam, it may be recognized as something with virus. This
Right,
is common for students who are installing who have already installed their lecture software. So this
right.
happens. This is quite common. Then you just need to
Uh,
click on more info and run anyway. This is to be
And
noted, sir, because
one more thing over here, that if you are using the laptop which is provided by you by your office, or you're using your father's laptop which he is using in his office, then that laptop might have certain inbuilt restrictions in it, like it might not allow you to download the SAP tool. So it is really important to beforehand download the SAP tool and know whether you need admin access in those laptops, because official laptops will not permit you. Generally, companies do not permit downloading all these things. So you need to make sure this before the mock test.
yes, sir. So this is very important, sir, because sir, here in the dialog box there is just one option: don't run. So students need
Yes,
to be aware that they should click on more info and they should run this program anyway. This
yes,
is one of
yes.
the most common mistakes which has been faced by my friends during the examinations, the September examination. Uh, so now I would like to just go through the settings, sir, and I would like to enable the. I would like to just show the settings of microphone and webcam, sir. Just a
Yes,
minute, sir.
please. Yes,
I'm stopping the screen, sir,
sure.
and I'm sharing the settings, sir. I hope the settings tab is visible, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. So, sir, here, if we just search for a particular setting, uh, we can actually access the same. And here there are settings regarding camera and microphone. Please go to camera and allow all this. So, sir, as you can see, sir, this was the CoCubes app, and when I had installed it
Yes,
yesterday, I had allowed that CoCubes app can view my camera, sir, and microphone as well.
correct.
So this needs to be enabled. You need to enable the camera and JavaScript. JavaScript must be enabled. Sites can use JavaScript. This is the default behavior in your Chrome, but please verify, because in the older versions of Chrome, JavaScript is disabled default in default. So please
Right, right.
check this. This is very important. And pop-ups and redirect should be closed, sir.
Right.
As is, although this is the default in
Setting.
default settings, sir, but still
Hmm.
it is advisable to go through the same, sir, because even few of us, sir, we have we enable notifications from so and so sites, sir, from any news site or from YouTube. Notifications may pop up anytime, sir. So notifications
Hmm.
also should be disabled, sir, during the examination. So that's regarding the site settings, sir. And once I would like to go back to the PPT, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Hmm.
So I have gone to the ICMA's candidate guide in full, and if there is any
Yes.
problem, uh, it will be taken on later on. Saving the submission page, I had mentioned earlier, sir. Submission page should be saved as quick as possible because it will be there only for 5 to 10 seconds on your browser. After that, the tab will be closed and you have to, and you may not actually save the page. So whenever you see a successful submission, just click Ctrl S and save the same on your desktop. So this is from your side. So I had made it slide. I had made
What
this
is
slide
this?
from your side. That's it, sir.
Stress, pressure, or anxiety is short term, but your
10 months of
10 months of
preparation.
preparation wasn't. Yes, absolutely. Take pride in the fact that you could write an examination through online mode in spite of a worldwide pandemic. So true, so true. All the very best and happy studying. Absolutely beautiful message from me and Sri Charan. Yes, guys, we are all set to really go through this amazing revolution in our careers, that the revolution of giving an online examination. So, Sri Charan, I would like to take one online question which has just come by. How to save the submission page on phone or mobile phone? Will it be possible to save it on mobile phone?
Yes, sir. I had even gone through this question yesterday, sir. In the mobile phone,
Yes.
usually, sir, what happens when we use the SAB tool, when we are writing the examination, we are using the
Yes.
Chrome. But that Chrome is being operated by SAB tool, so we cannot change the tabs or we cannot see the URL link. So after
Right.
we submit, sir, we can see the URL. We can actually the SAB tool encryption will be disabled, sir, after submission. So then we will get a page like it's a normal Chrome page, sir. There will be no encryption, nothing. So then students can just take a screenshot, sir.
Okay.
Screenshot
Okay.
will be permitted after submission, sir. They
After
just need to
submission.
ensure that their submission has been successful. And when they
Right.
click on the submit button, sir, if it is successful, there will be no other encryption, sir. We will be
Perfect.
redirect to our primary browser, and then we will get a submission page for 5 to 10 seconds. During then, please take a screenshot. There will be a shortcut with your primary buttons itself. So please
Correct.
take a screenshot, and that's all. There will be nothing else, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. And guys, for all these PPTs which Sricharan has made and also the PPTs which have been issued by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, please go on the description box. There's a link which is given over there. You can download the PPTs and the guidelines from there. Please read through them carefully. And if you fail to understand any point, then you can get back to this live session. It is recorded and it is saved on YouTube channel. You can see it again, but do not panic, because it is, yes, it is the first time, but it is not a very complicated or very out of the box system. It's a very usual system. So yes, it will be done easily, and we will see all of you in CMA Inter in this coming September attempt. So yes, before I sign off, Sri Charan, any last words from our subject matter expert?
No, sir. Actually, I'm not an expert, sir, but thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir.
No,
It's
thank
my
you for
pleasure, sir.
taking out time. Guys, Sri Charan's sister's exam is currently happening, and he had to go over there to drop her. And that is why you can see Sri Charan sitting in a car. But so kind of him to give us time even during the car, and so kind of him to prepare a PPT in such a short notice and give it to all of us. Thank you so much, Sri Charan. And yes,
No, sir.
guys, let's get set. Yes.
Actually, my only reason for doing this, sir, was that I could improve my communication skills, sir, and I just want to become better and better, sir. You are my role model to become better and improve my communication skills in a better manner. That's the reason
Oh,
I have.
you absolutely have an adorable communication skills already, and you are really good at it. And once you clear your CMA Inter, then definitely it will go a level up. So guys, all the very best for your 5th September examination. And yes, this is CSC SCMA Nikhil Gupta signing off with a hope and pray that the last few days of your preparation, which are just left, even less than 15 days, 21st of August, we are already sitting in, very less time for your examinations left. So yes, give it your best shot. Do not worry to sacrifice your pleasures. Do not worry to sacrifice your sleep, your likings, your favorite TV shows, Netflix. Do not worry to sacrifice all of these things, because once you qualify your CMA foundation, then all these things will come back to you in multiple folds. And when you qualify your CMA final, then you will be definitely a professional, and you'll cherish each and every moment for it. So all these sacrifices will definitely be worth it. So yes, all the very best and happy studying. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.